When I started my vermicomposting journey, I never anticipated that it would change my life in the ways that it has. From taking my juicing scraps and feeding it to worms to now owning a full-blown worm farm has healed me. It has caused me to be more mindful and appreciative of life and its cycles and its processes. Even though I'm just working with these little tiny worms, I want for them to have the best life that they can experience. Because I am so introverted, vermicomposting has connected me to my community, and it's helped me to help them in a meaningful way. I get to take all of their waste and turn it into something that is going to close the loop and bring it right back to helping to produce healthy, nutrient-dense foods. I also get to partner with local farmers, so what can be better than that? If you haven't started your vermicomposting journey, I encourage you to.